Welcome aboard, fellow enthusiasts, as we embark on another incredible video. Hello, YouTube friends. Join us as we unravel the mysteries surrounding Zentiva. Zentiva is a pharmaceutical company based in Prague, Czech Republic. The company is developing, manufacturing and marketing a wide range of generic and OTC products. Zentiva employs more than 4,700 people across Europe and has 3 manufacturing sites in Prague, Bucharest and Ankleshwar. Since 2018, Zentiva is wholly owned by private equity firm Advent International. It was formerly, since 2008, a subsidiary of Sanofi. As we transition, let's shed light on history of Zentiva and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. The roots of the Czech pharmaceutical company date back to 1488 with at the Black Eagles Pharmacy UNO, all located in the Prague city centre, Malstrana. In 1857 the pharmacy was bought by Benjamin and Karel Fragner 1824-1886. His expansion plans were started by his son Dr. Karel Fragner 1861-1926 and further expanded by Dr. Ing. Fragner 1900-1977. He, together with his brother, an architect Jaroslav Fragner, built and designed a new modern pharmaceutical factory in Dolní Choupy, which is now a part of Prague. Today Zentiva's headquarters are located on the original factory premises. The factory Benjamin Fragner started to produce medicines in August 1930. Its profitability was set upon a solid bedrock of active substances, with which intensive research and development started. During World War II, after Czech universities were shut down following Nazi occupation, the Fragner factory became a refuge for many notable specialists. For example, one of the first successful isolation of penicillin BF Mycoin 510 was achieved on this site. In 1946, the company is nationalized by the Czech government and the factory and the pharmacy are split apart. The factory became part of SPOF, a United Pharmaceutical Enterprises employing 750. It was the leading pharmaceutical site in post-war Czechoslovakia. In the early 60s, to satisfy the demand of growing need of dosage forms, the question of upgrading the site to further increase the manufactured amounts was raised. The upgrade was completed in 1979 and led to the construction of new modern production facilities. Starting with the Velvet Revolution in 1989, the company went through a series of significant organizational and ownership changes. In 1993, the company's name was changed from Liva AS to Zentiva KS. Later in 1998, Zentiva's management acquired a majority of shares and established a new focus on branded generic medicines. In 2003, a new corporate brand name was introduced, Zentiva CZ Soro. In the same year, the leading pharmaceutical company from Slovakia, Slovakia Pharma, was added to Zentiva portfolio. In 2004, Zentiva is listed at the Prague and London stock exchanges. Zentiva also expanded to Poland and Russia and other markets of Central and Eastern Europe. Later in 2005, second leading generic company in Romania, nowadays Zentiva SA, was acquired and added to Zentiva portfolio. In the beginning of 2007, Zentiva increased its activity in Hungary and acquired HCB Generic Pharmaceuticals, leading Turkish manufacturer. The year 2008 marked the acquisition of Zentiva by the French holding Sanofi and decided to make it its European generics platform. Zentiva became then part of the Sanofi generics franchise. In 2018, Advent International bought the European division of Sanofi's generics business Zentiva. Transaction of total worth 1,919. Zentiva, with the support of Advent International, one of the biggest equity funds, became independent. Following the acquisition by Advent International, Zentiva entered in a fast-paced series of acquisition to build up its position in generics and OTC markets, in and outside Europe. In April 2019, Zentiva acquired Creo Pharmaceuticals, a UK-based subsidiary of the US-based Amyl Pharmaceuticals since 2013. Followed, in May by Solution, the Romania-based pharmaceutical company expanding both its generics and OTC footprint. In January 2022, Zentiva received the Top Employer recognition from the Top Employer Institute in the Czech Republic and Romania. As we progress, let's shine a spotlight on acquisitions history and examine its intricate interplay within our topic. 1857, Black Eagle Pharmacy bought by Benjamin and Carol Fragner. 1946, Pharmacy and Factory split apart. 2003, acquisition of Slovakia Pharma. 2005, acquisition of Sikkim. 2007, Zentiva acquired HCB Generic Pharmaceuticals. 2008, Sanofi acquired Zentiva. 2018, Advent International acquired Zentiva. 2019. April, acquisition of Creo Pharmaceuticals. May, acquisition of Solution Pharmaceuticals. September, signing of an agreement to acquire manufacturing site in Ankleshwar, India. October, signing of a definitive agreement to acquire the Central and Eastern European business of Alvogen. 2020. April, acquisition of Alvogen CEE business. May, acquisition of Sanofi's manufacturing site in Ankleshwar, India. Your feedback helps me improve, so please take a moment to leave a comment or review.